Assalamu alaikum everyone. So there's something that I actually kind of noticed about Jasmy, and this is so good for you to know. And before that, do help me get 100K subs, because before Bitcoin gets to 100,000, I'm gonna pump Bitcoin to $100,000. But I want to see myself get to 100K before Bitcoin does. So it's a challenge, kind of a challenge in 2024, because Adam is going to bring back the bulls, and maybe we even bring back the bulls for Jasmy as well. Now, it's not enough for you to subscribe. Do make sure you're pressing the bell, because you get notifications as well. So whenever I post a Jasmy video, you get a notification on your phone. What I'm about to talk about in this video is that Jasmy is looking to make an accumulation right now. So when I did zoom out, and this is my Twitter, by the way, if you want to message me on learning how to trade and stuff, you can do that. So zooming out again, I'm gonna drag all these things to the side right now, the supply zones and stuff and whatnot. Okay, just a second here. I want to undo some stuff. How do I undo, man? All right, anyways, I'm not going to be bothered by that one. So if you go into the weekly time frame, this might be time for Jasmy to move sideways. The sideways movement you're looking at is probably accumulation zone going on right now. Okay, so Jasmy is being accumulated, and that's one of the best signs in cryptocurrency whenever a coin goes from one of the biggest bull runs. Now look at this. If you zoom out and if you look at things, they have moved literally to the downside like this. And the fact that now you have a very straight line, all of this is accumulation right there. And I always say that consider accumulation as a train. Okay, so the train is at the station, and you have the windows right there, you have the windows, the door here, and you have another windows right there, and then probably the window with the driver sitting right over there in the steering. And then you have the passengers, right, who walk into the train, and the passenger go inside the train, they leave the train, some of them, and now you filled the back seats, you filled the middle seats, and then you fill the front seats as well, and that's it. The whole ticket gets booked, right? And then you leave from Germany all the way to maybe Scotland, I don't know. So basically you're doing accumulation here just to go to Scotland. So you are sitting for accumulation down in a bear market, and then the next destination is probably start to pump for a bull run, right? That's the whole idea behind accumulation right there. So if this is truly accumulation, then be ready for maybe a very massive breakout and a very massive, huge pump in the future for Jasmy. I cannot really say. A lot of people ask me this: is it possible for Jasmy to get to 0.36, right? And if you look at how much of a price appreciation we're talking about, then it's going to be nearly, this is 47x, okay? And 47x in a bull run is actually possible, right? 47x for a coin is possible. I'm not looking at the name Jasmy at the moment. I'm actually looking at the number 47x returns. If you tell me that there are coins that are down in a bear market, and then when a bull run comes and they can do a 47x, heck, I can tell you that they can do even 100x. It's not a financial advice, but it's my own personal experience that I've seen coins. Take Binance coin, for example. I've seen Binance down at $7, which went to nearly $700, and that's 100x. Okay, I've seen that. Take coins like Bitcoin itself, that was at pennies, going all the way up to $69,000. So anything is possible in crypto. And if you say that this is possible, well, there are certain conditions. Number one, if the project is kept alive, it's possible. If the team is doing a good job, it's actually another possibility. If the developers keep on maintaining the project, it's going to be possible. If Jasmy has a good utility use case, it's possible. If Jasmy have bigger investors, okay, people are big believers of Jasmy. For example, all I know is that Jasmy as a project is meant for keep storing data, and it's one of the best Japanese project out there. I don't know, a Sony representative is involved in this coin as well. So there are some few big names, and if those big names do buy, institutional traders do get in and they invest in Jasmy, yes, it's possible to move to the upside. You have to understand, but if those things are not going to happen, probably even not. Okay, that's how it is. And let's go back on the patterns, and let's check if there's anything at all that we need to see. So right now it seems like the consolidation here is extended a little bit more, but the plan is, once you do start to break above this flag here, you have a technical target to 0.07. So keep that in mind. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. I love you.